Go to the RainDOT campaign page and click Cross In. Cross in your DOT to the Bifrost Polkadot parachain. Complete the cross in, and balance below shows the number of DOTs crossed into the Bifrost network. Enter the number of DOTs you wish to stake in the minting portal on the RainDOT campaign page. Confirm the transaction and complete the signature. View the number of vDOTs just minted in my vDOT. Also see the number of raindrops points you have just minted in my raindrops. If you have staked BNCs or staked DOTs on other decentralized platforms before September 13th, you will receive a different range of raindrop multiplier when you mint vDOTs. You can also invite your friends at the top right to earn additional raindrop points. Once the invitation is successful, you and the invitee will each receive 200 raindrop points. The top 200 raindrop holders in this round will receive the Bifrost Back to Asgard NFT whitelist. Go back to vDOT farming and select the farming module. Click on Max to put vDOT into the vDOT single farming pool. The vDOT farming pool will last for 7 days until September 23rd at 10 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated.